20 bucks. What do you think? 20 bucks? I think so. That would go for 20 on Facebook.
Okay, well, we can do that.
Uh,
The problem with the flea market is every... Ooh! Hilti! I know that brand.
oh, that's. I guess that's a pretty good brand, isn't it?
Be in here. There it is. Ooh. Hilti? Yeah, it's amazing.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh, wow. What is that, like an impact wrench or?
It's I don't know. It's one of those fastening tools.
Well, tools bring money, so that's good.
22 bullets in it, or something like it. You know
Oh,
what I mean?
yeah, I've seen those.
This right here.
Yeah, that's what that is. You're right. I've sold one of
That's
those for
at
like
least
$50.
$100 probably.
Yeah. Okay, well that's money.
There's $100 right there.
All right,
It might have
guys.
to be on eBay though, or Facebook.
All right, there we go.
I love Hilti tools. They're so expensive.
I like Snap-on.
Well,
I mean,
yeah,
you know.
they're like Snap-on.
Yeah.
But they're not really. They don't make a lot of power tools.
No.
But yeah, Snap-on tools. That would be love.
Yes, it would. We're gonna keep looking until we find some.
Aw.
What the hell's in there?
Paper. This is all paper good. Toilet paper.
Toilet paper's a good one because you know you could use that, right?
I don't need any more of that.
Well, you plan on running out or anytime?
Not with units crapping toilet paper.
I always keep toilet paper, man, because you can't ever really have too much.
This says pots and pans.
Scrap metal, unless they're good. They slightly suck. Okay, this could be good if that circular saw is in here. It's in there, dude. Something is. I can't get it out with one hand, but
Yep. There's another shoebox right there.
this
It says
says.
office supplies on it.
Okay, there it is. That sucker is in good shape. They
In the
used
box.
it, but it's still got the box, so I'm thinking that
$15.
I would have said 20, but you know, hey,
Well-
you're the one that sells this at the flea market, so I'll take your word for that one.
$15. The DeWalt, it'll bring 30 to 35.
Okay,
Because the people, I mean, you got to think, most of, look at that, that's cute.
it's cute, but it's not gonna bring us
It's not
much.
money. Ooh,
Wait a minute,
what is this? Bose, dude. Bose.
Bose. We like that name.
That's a crewman's helmet.
We got one of these recently, similar
yeah,
to that.
This one's new though.
Didn't we get one like that up in Radcliffe?
Yeah,
Similar?
it was an old one though, but
This one looks newer.
It's got the
Oh,
Bose
it's got the
headset.
communication.
Yeah, it's Bose.
This
has
is
gotta be
much
similar.
better. This one's better than the other one, I think.
Wow, that could be a couple $100. Could be. I
Could
don't
be,
know.
guys. We're just saying could be. We haven't looked it up yet.
But I know Bose, and I know the flight helmets, and I know that ideally I'm thinking at least 100.
Yeah.
But we'll look
All
at
right,
it.
wait.
Oh, brand new clothes.
New clothes are good. People like that.
Jewelry.
We're looking for jewelry, guys. We're in a jewelry slump. It's been like,
It's been a while.
it's been a few days.
This is actually a good box of clothes that we'll sell at the Peller's Mall.
Okay.
Yeah, we haven't found any good jewelry in a while.
It has been a while. And believe me, I know it.
It hadn't been too long for me, but 'cause I found those 18 karat rings.
Yes.
That was what, 3 weeks ago?
It's been a minute.
Sometimes it feels like it wasn't that long. This is clothes.
There's a little bag. That could have jewelry in it. Look at that. All right, guys. Let's put this where we can see it. All right, we're going to do a reveal on this. Where's the money?
Oh, selling stuff.
Sewing.
It's a good sign to me. Oh,
Oh, that's a real good sign.
This is
Oh, maybe there's some gift cards in there, dude. Look at all those.
Look at this. This is a good sign.
There could be all
See
kind
how
of
old
money.
the
in
wallet is? You're in a bag that looks like this. I think you hit it right on the head.
there. Gift cards could be. She could lose a gift card in that conglomeration of cards. Pop it.
Kmart. That's how you know these are old.
Yeah. Visa. See, some of those are reloadable.
These are very old.
Yeah.
Big Lots
Big
rewards.
lots.
GameStop rewards.
What's that? Oh. Okay, well that was a disappointment.
But we're on to something here. this? Come on. Where's that Leroy Jeweler stuff?
Yeah, what is this? Maybe that's so you can sleep in the daytime. I think I'll give that to my wife. She likes to sleep during the daytime. She's retired.
Jewelry.
She can do whatever. Oh, here we go. We finally found some jewelry, guys.
Let's go out to the truck.
All right, we're gonna go out here and we're gonna do it. We're gonna do a jewelry reveal here.
Looks like mostly costume.
It's gonna be mostly costume, but
Let's go right here on the chair.
let's get some shade too. Yeah, there is.
Right there by the trailer.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, you're right. All right, we're out of the frickin' sun for a minute. Okay, guys, sorry about
Well,
that.
before we go through this, let's look and see if there's anything else.
Yeah.
Ooh, what are you?
Olive.
Olive oil.
Oh, is that me?
Yeah, my phone's ringing too.
No, that's you, because mine's in the van.
Some lady from Facebook trying to call me. Facebook Marketplace.
Maybe she got something for sale she wants. Well, how'd you wouldn't have,
Probably, but I don't like doing that. I don't like talking to those people on the phone on Facebook.
how did they get your number?
I guess you can call from Facebook.
Oh, yeah. That doesn't look like it's anything there.
Just looking for another small jewelry bag down here, and I think I see something.
Yeah, I think that one's a bust. Sunglasses. All right, this is what we've got a little bit of hope. All it takes is a couple of
Start with this
pieces
little
of gold here. Let's see here. That one doesn't feel like gold. Nope. That looks like copper.
Oop, this looks promising right
That
here.
could be a little bit of gold there. It doesn't look good from here. I'm seeing it chipped off, so.
The one good thing about earrings is when the piece that goes into your ear matches the rest of the earring. I don't think that's gold either.
Yeah, yeah. $25 she paid for that. It's probably not gold. Oh God, this turned out to be a bust here, I think. I haven't given up yet. Maybe we can just sell the whole lot at the flea market for whatever. You know, once we make sure there isn't any gold or silver in here.
I think it's pretty obvious there's nothing in here.
Yeah, this has been rammed through.
Yeah, this is obvious costume. That's $925. Look at
Well,
that.
we got a sterling ring. That's
That's
probably
heavy too.
This is probably about like a $50. I'd say this is worth about $5 to $10.
You know it's costume when it says Avon on it.
Okay. There. We'll set that. We got sterling.
It's a fat little ring.
We'll weigh that thing up later and we'll see what we got. 92.5% silver is what this is made of, guys. So we're probably looking at about $6. We'll see.
We need gold necklaces, gold bracelets. Let's get back into the unit.
Yeah, this stuff here, you know, we did find this ring. We'll see. We've got about, there's probably $10 there, you know, when you figure the sterling ring in with it. Maybe get a couple of dollars for all the costume jewelry. I don't know. Well, we spilled some pennies here. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. We could restore each all the love and give back all the mattresses that they need to sleep on.
Supply, office supplies.
And we have crap. Office
Don't you
crap.
hate when it's exactly what they said it was going to be?
Yeah,
So they ran
when
some
it's
type
like
of little
this.
business. The third bank. Well, boo.
Well, we'll have to restorage that. What do you think?
We should videotape
Yeah,
Love to see how great we are.
we'll restorage that.
Safety gear, gloves.
Oh God, we're gonna have to restorage that.
No, those are sellable right here.
Really? Oh, we actually found something.
No, they're not.
Yeah.
Some of them are. Down
False
here.
alarm.
Yep. That's,
Oh, there's another dresser back there.
yeah, there is.
So that could mean that there is stuff in the dresser drawer, which last time we found good stuff in the dresser drawer.
Yep. Oh man. Come on. This unit should have sold for $100.
Yeah, we had to pay up for it because everybody wants anything now.
Today.
Yeah, but we're gonna make a little bit of money on it, and we've got another unit that we bought that it's not here, but
We gone through all this big stack of boxes.
these are closed. We haven't been through, but we saw what
What
was
is this thing?
Protect Alert.
Ultimate alarm paging system.
Huh? That's like
cool.
old
We
stuff.
got VHS tape.
Oh, those are
Yay.
great, man. People covet those. No, not quite, guys. Here.
Ugh. That is the dustiest box ever.
We got a
How are
mess.
we gonna get to that other stuff?
I guess we're gonna have to. This is gonna collapse here. Well, after we load up all the sellable merch, it'll look better. But this is gonna collapse. This video, I'm gonna fix all this.
That's interesting.
All these we could do yeah, do you want to eat some Bean Boozled beans, man?
Oh, look at that. A nickel.
Oh, a 5-cent piece. Guys, this could be worth up to a nickel. Yeah. Yeah, is there any stamps in there?
Return address stuff.
Unless they're your address, then
One
they're
of
not
these
going to
days
do
we're gonna
anything.
actually find some freaking money.
Yeah, it would be nice. I would love to find some. I find coins, but paper money is harder to find in these units.
Unless it's foreign.
I found a lot, yeah, I found a lot of Saudi money for some reason. And
It's just
Mexican.
still gonna fall.
We created a monster in here. I'll have to hold this up. No, I'm gonna have to fix this. Is that a fan in the box? Oh, I hope so. Oh, 2 of them.
Yes. $5 a piece.
Look at that. Fans. Those are, you know, people want those.
Yeah, it's hot. Clothes.
Could they be good clothes? All right, what do we need to do here? God, we got a frickin' mess here.
You're gonna miss.
We're kind of painting ourselves into. See, it's hard to, guys, it's really hard to videotape and do this at the same time. But we do what we got to do to get you the content. Now look, this unit has thrown up, but fortunately it's thrown up some cash.
What's this stuff? Dust cleaner? That's good.
It's new stuff, so it should sell. And we got all this frickin' jewelry here. One good
You
ring.
might be right about this washer and dryer, man. It looks way nicer than
I looked at it and it didn't look real old.
Maybe we can get 200 out of it.
Maybe. That'd be another 50 frickin' bucks.
That's a good. That'll bail us out good, nicely.
Mm-hmm. Now these mattresses look all shot though.
They are.
I wouldn't even attempt to try to sell those.
We're not going to.
I think we're gonna restorage those. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Guys, we're gonna restorage these mattresses.
And these bed frames here, because they
We're
make them
we're
mad.
gonna give these bed frames away. We're gonna restorage it.
Can we restorage?
I'm sure we've got some things here.
Is there even any down
Oh no, it's pressed wood
there? Oh,
too.
there's stuff in it.
Okay, we got to get that drawer
That
out.
looks promising.
He sees profit. He sees profit.
I guess that's still a sellable dresser. I can take it to the Pillars Mall. We won't even fool with that on Facebook.
Yeah, that'd probably be 20 bucks.
20 bucks.
Yeah, if all the drawers work, you know, these bed rails, you can get $15 for them at a peddler's mall. Yeah.
It's stuffed.
It's stuffed with stuff. Well, if we can get the drawer out. I know I'm not helping much, but I am getting the filming done. That's something, right?
Come on.
This drawer so far is...
Where's that Leroy stuff? Wait a minute. What do we got here?
Now pull all the cash out of the envelopes. Go ahead and get all the cash. Somebody's glasses. There.
Glasses?
There are more glasses.
More teeth?
Any
no,
gold
those are
teeth?
shells.
Oh boy. They're not going to do us any good.
That looks like a pocket knife. Nope, it's a
Little set
power
of...
bank.
Oh.
Oh, we got phones.
Okay.
That's good.
Oh, these look a little
Ooh,
bit new.
Sony Verizon phone.
It's cracked on the back, but it's
That one's
parts. Okay, there's a
money.
couple dollars.
There's another one.
Sweet.
There's a BlackBerry. I don't know why. Don't ask me why, but people buy these BlackBerries all the time.
Yeah.
There's something else.
Oh, another phone.
So there's all their phones.
They lost all their phones. And unfortunately, we can't restorage them.
Look at that lighter. Color.
That's
Rock on.
nice.
They left us with a junk drawer full of junk. And then
There's some coins.
oh,
There's a nickel.
There's earrings. There you go.
Yeah, let's see if this is, yeah, I bet that's gold. I'll check that later. I'll even check the diamond. We'll see if we can come up with some money there. Just can't check it here right now. We drop that, we'll probably lose it.
Well, I don't know about you, but I'm excited about that other unit now.
Yeah, especially since we're not going to get hurt here. You know?
Right here. Let's get that over there.
That's one is a wheat penny, I think. No, it's not.
I have the other earring in it.
Yeah. Okay, it's a $20 bill on the dresser.
That's it. And a nice washer and dryer.
Aren't any more boxes in there?
Nope.
Okay, well, we pulled out enough to let us know that we're going to do
train
it.
moving. That's it.
Yeah, so we'll pull all the good stuff out of here today. At least all but washer dryer ain't going today, right?
No.
Yeah, we don't have room in here right now.
Yeah, I mean, we don't have room for much. I gotta go empty the trailer.
Yeah.
Oh, I made a mess.
Oh, I want to show them this bench in the back of my van that we got out of that unit that we got all the albums from.
Yeah.
Look, guys, I gave Icy half the money of what we thought we could sell this for because I was going to take it home and use it there. Look, you see this rustic, beautiful bench. It's in the back of my van right now because last night I just couldn't get it out of there. But that came in that unit where we got all the albums and all the some t-shirts that we selling for like $100 a piece on eBay. I mean, we just cashed in. But anyway, we got this. I just wanted to show you. And then we got all this merch here that's going to go to the flea market. And we got about a $200 washer and dryer back there, and maybe another, oh, I don't know, $50 to $100 in random furniture besides that. And we'll make money on this unit.
We'll make money. It just ain't gonna be a lot.
Yeah, but with this locker and the other locker, I believe it'll be good because we're not hurt on this, and we got something you don't usually get. So, what do you think? All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and say like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. And, well, we'll just see you later.